welcome to my new video. So, if you can see, ang dami nag-appreciate ng suit ng hindi nila alam it's a sublimation. But parang siya, ethnic and everything. So, have a great day. So, welcome to my another vlog. Oh my God. For today's video, it's Monday and ang daming mga ganap sa buhay. First is I had my interview kanina. Second, missing evaluation clinic na na-fail. Na-fail, but anyways, may mga things lang na hindi nasasagot. Third, may exam tomorrow. So ngayon, dito ako sa as I'm having my iced coffee. I'm waiting also for my friends who will be here. Siguro magdi-dinner after lang. Magdi-dinner siguro. Ay guys, ano pala? Napanood, sino nakapanood na ng Devil's Diner? I think it's an Indonesian horror movie. It talks about, bala series siya. 6 na series ata yun. It represent yung mga negative things sa tao na hindi makontento. First is yung being greed, tapos wrath, and having pride, tapos yung mga suspicious, and then yung mga hindi makontento. So yung kwento kasi guys ng Devil's Diner is may isang restaurant na nag-offer ng food at kung nag-offer ng food tapos pagpupunta ka doon tumutupad sa wishes mo. For example, kung gusto mo ng madaming pera, tutuparin niya, pero may ipapakain siya sa inyo. Pero in exchange on that is your soul. So, minsan di ka sa greed ng tao, yung hindi makontento sa life, yung hindi alam kung anong buong story at gustong mag-revenge. Usually, yung nakaka-captivate ng devil, yung may-ari naman ng restaurant is na parang nag-yield siya dun sa restaurant na yun. Hindi siya makakalabas. And then, he keep on offering, kung sinong pupunta doon, he keep on offering food in exchange of their wishes and so panoorin niya sa Netflix guys, bago lang siya na-add. Maganda siyang story at saka pogi yung mga lalaki doon, mga pogi. And then maganda yung story, it's really a lesson learned in life. You can try to watch those movies guys, maganda siya, Devil's Diner. Although naka-creepy lang siya at saka ma-blood, yung nakakadiri kasi yung mga food and then basta bloody siya, but despite of that, the lesson learned is yung parang realistic na nangyayari talaga yung mga story ng every series. Natapos ko siya parang actually very short lang ang every series and ma-appreciate mo talaga siya. Nagustuhan ko doon yung suspicions about sa Makashota. Basta panoorin nyo guys. Yung suspicions na yung title ng series na yun, basta maganda talaga siya. And pogi lalaki. Basta yun yung nangyayari usually sa relationship ng mga tao sa series. Anyways, it's a talking vlog na naman. So while waiting sa mga office meet ko, yung pa kasi sila sa office. Guys. So, while waiting, I'll be talking and hindi ko pa pala na-erase yung other videos sa memory card na to, and then nag-blink na naman siya ng red. It signifies na mafu-full na naman siya. Hindi ako tumitingin sa camera. Hindi na sa video. Anyways, I only 2 and 28 minutes, but I'll just erase some videos para I can still capture my moment here in SM. Actually, it's Monday. Konti lang yung taon na andito, and then pupunta na daw sila Jiro na wow, kakatawag lang. Actually guys, yung ano kasi, pag Monday dapat mga Filipiniana inspired. Pag first Monday of the month is Asian inspired, then succeeding Monday of the month, Filipiniana or Barong inspired. So ito, madami na appreciate sa Barong kami. Cute daw, maganda daw, and I am so thankful for that. Anyways, baka I'll be buying food later on, galing sa bahay. Ganyan lang, right? Oh, I really love yung deep red. It really differs sa skin tone ko. Skin tone. Anyways, hindi ko alam kung saan kami kakain today. I'll just wait for them kung saan sila mag-decide. I'll just go with them. Then I think after, we'll be going home. And yeah, yung sa Netflix guys, yung Devil's Diner, panoorin mo siya kasi very nice ang stories in every series. And kahit ano, messy or creepy, but it's really good yung story doon. Gusto yung ganyan yung camp na composition kaya at least makikita yung dumadaan para hindi kayo ma-board face ko lang nakikita niya the whole time. Okay?